Can we guess what color I'm dyeing my hair? Can we figure it out? I've given some clues on my Instagram. It's a what color? If you were unaware, summer's coming around the corner, so you know what that means. We gotta dye our hair darker because everyone else is going lighter because we're hipster, so edgy. We're also gonna dye these extensions, which have not been washed. You can see the color difference of what 3 weeks of washing and no washing looks like. Ooh, but it smells good. All right, you probably guessed it. We are making this, what do you call it? Green? Lime green? Yellow green? Hair blue. The blue has been inspired by today's sponsor. A big thank you to Dermalogica, they're today's sponsor. I got to meet with the team last week and they told me all about their new product and plans for summer, and it could not be more perfect for me because it is made for acne prone skin and I have adult acne. I don't know why it happened and it's been very, very frustrating. The camera is very kind, so I'm gonna show some unkind photos of my skin. I don't know, I'm hitting puberty, it's a lot of fun. Dermalogica has come out with this brand new product right here. Do we see it? It's blue. Do we see the inspo? It is the Clearing Defense SPF 30. It is a sunscreen developed for acne prone skin. It is there to mattify. It is a lightweight moisturizer and it protects you from the sun. And I don't know about you, but that checks all of my boxes for summer and all of my skin needs. I've been using it for the past week. I love it so far. It has not clogged any pores. I just spit. I am thoroughly impressed. So thank you guys, thank you for sponsoring. And if you struggle with acne and you are going to leave your house in the summertime, definitely wear sunscreen and definitely check this out. I will be doing a different blue that's on the bottle because I've done these blues. All right, let's get to dyeing. All right guys, the hair dye has arrived and so has my period. So things are off to a good start. It's also obviously much later in the day. Also, I painted my nails blue shirt, really just in the spirit. For the hair dye, I got the Arctic Fox Blue Jean Baby. I'm really excited about this. A little bit nervous. I feel like a little bit of a test rabbit because I couldn't find a ton of people using this yet. I know it's new, so there weren't many swatches, many girls with selfies with the color. I could be wrong, but I couldn't find anything. I got a diluter, right? Let's get going. Okay, my hair dye technique is pretty simple. I hit it like all over the roots and then like from the front all the way to the back, and then I bring it down through the mid shaft and then I hit the ends. Of course, it's up to you how you want to work the process. You can be messy with it, you can be OCD with it, but that's my suggestion of a decade of dyeing my hair. No matter how long you've been doing this, the first hit can be a little nerve-wracking. Do I want to do my roots though? I kind of want to like, yeah, I'm gonna hit my roots. This is dark enough. I feel like, do you guys remember when like Kylie Jenner did that kind of like really black but in the sunlight turned blue? I think this is gonna be more on the blue side, but I just really loved that. I loved it so much. And I know it's like Kylie Jenner and I get it, but it was really pretty. Hit it from the back side now, just the same distance down the shaft of the hair, and that don't do that. Oh my god, that went in my eye. Oh my god, what did I just do? So if you're watching this, I'm guessing you are someone who dyes their hair as well, or you're thinking about it. So I'm curious, like, what are some of the favorite colors you guys have done? What are your favorite brands? If you aren't someone who likes to dye your hair, is this just like a soothing thing to watch? Because I know that like I randomly just put on like hair dyeing videos. I don't know why, I just find them like really relaxing. Now we do the back, which is always a lot of fun because you can't see what you're doing. You know what? I do think my hair is actually short enough that I can just hit the whole thing right now. So roots and then just mid to ends. All right, guys, we have made it. I can't believe it. That was actually really fast. Oh yeah, I still have to dye my hair extensions. All right, I'm gonna do that off camera and let this sit for like, why did I just eat that word? It's not blue. I mean, technically if you Google peacock blue, it's pretty similar and blue's in the title, so it's blue. The green came for us hard in my hair. It did not want to leave, so it's it's a little blue-green. Can I show you my extensions, by the way? You're gonna die. Okay, and just to be fair, I did put Blue Jean Baby on just blonde extensions, and they're blue. So now I have 0 extensions that match my peacock hair, which is super fun for me. Now I'm gonna go outside because there's a big blowout jump house randomly. Oh my god. This is where I live now, inside jump house. Enjoying that sun without the harsh rays. I'm too tall. Can't tell if the sharp shooting pain in my back is from jumping or from my period, but it's a rough one, guys. I'm gonna go jump in the sauna. Wear your sunscreen. Thank you again, Dermalogica, for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. And of course, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye! There's a fly in here. Okay. We gonna get you out, guy? Come on, why don't you go outside? Why don't you just, come on. Look at the fresh, come on. Come on, I don't know why I'm talking to the fly like it's a dog. Good boy, come on. Come on, baby, there you go.